If you are looking for gesture shortcuts on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we can go to settings. Then over here we can scroll all the way down and choose additional settings, and then here we have gesture shortcuts. We can find the option to launch digital assistant by pressing and holding the power button for half a second. This can be of course disabled. You can also take a screenshot by using 3 fingers. In addition to that, we also have the partial screenshot. We can launch the camera by double pressing the power button, or we can turn on the flashlight the same way. So we have a choice between these two features. And we also have back tap feature where we can tap the back of our phone twice or 3 times in order to choose what should happen. And that is pretty much it in terms of the gestures. Of course, there are more gestures that we can perform on our phone besides those that are listed in the gesture shortcuts. For example, in these additional settings themselves, we can find, for example, the one-handed mode, which we can enable or disable by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. And there's also, for example, circle to search, which we can also use. This is also a gesture, and so on. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.